Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's English class. In your previous class, we learned about demonstrative pronoun. Did you read your textbook? Good. We know demonstrative pronoun is mainly used to point out persons or things. This, that, these, those are mainly used to point out things. So, they are called demonstrative pronouns. Children, today we are going to discuss about possessive pronouns. A pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. That means, possession means what? Yes, ownership. Children, in your lower classes, you already learned about possessive noun. Yes, we know we use an apostrophe with a noun to show possession or ownership. But in the case of possessive pronouns, we use mine, his, her, ours, yours, theirs to show possession or ownership. These words show possession, so they are called possessive pronouns. For example, these clothes are mine. Here, which is the possessive pronoun? Yes, mine. How do we write the possessive pronoun here? Possessive pronoun mine here. We write it without an apostrophe. Without an apostrophe, we write possessive pronoun here. So remember, children, don't use apostrophe when we write a possessive pronoun. Next example, that house is hers. Children, here hers is the possessive pronoun. Here the word hers used in place of a noun. So here hers is the possessive pronoun. Children, possessive pronouns generally come at the end of a sentence. A noun is never put after them. Okay, let's read this. I saw a new bicycle. Is it yours? Children, here possessive pronoun come at the end of a sentence and there is no apostrophe. So here, which is the possessive pronoun? Yes, yours. Now read this example. Leah has a pet. The dog sitting on the grass is Leah's. Children, are there any noun repeated here? Yes, here the noun Leah repeated. So we want to avoid that repetition. So we add a possessive pronoun. Which possessive pronoun we add here? Yes, hers. To avoid that repetition. Here, hers is replacing the possessive noun Leah's and it is showing possession or ownership. And how do we write the possessive pronoun here? Yes, we write it without the apostrophe. Possessive pronouns depend on number, whether the noun is singular or plural, and person, whether the noun is being referred to first person, second person or third person, and on gender, whether the noun is being referred to masculine gender, feminine gender or neuter gender. Now let's see the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Read these sentences, children. This is my book. This book is mine. Here, which one is showing the possessive pronoun? Yes, in the second sentence, mine is showing possessive pronoun. Then, what is my here? Yes, that my is possessive adjective. Then, how can we identify possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun from a sentence? Take first example. This is my book. And ask a question to this sentence using whose to ask a question. Whose book is this? Yes, then we will get one answer. What is the answer? My. That my is possessive adjective. Great. Then take the second one. We already learned how to identify a possessive pronoun. Here, mine stands at the end of a sentence. So, here mine is the possessive pronoun. Now, let's summarize what we learned today. Today, we discussed about possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. Possession means ownership. And mine, his, her, ours, yours, theirs are most commonly used possessive pronouns. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.